Webgility Online can be connected to your QuickBooks desktop account using the Webgility extension installed directly on your remote server or local machine. This setup process only needs to be done the first time, so we'll break it down in a few easy steps. Step 1. When connecting to QuickBooks Desktop, you'll be prompted to download the extension. Follow the prompts to the install screen and start the process. Click Next to install the extension in the C drive by default. You should be greeted with a completion message asking if you want to launch the application and a button to finish. Step 2. After launching the extension, you'll be asked to log in using your Webgility credentials and a couple messages saying that it was authenticated. Next, select the version of QuickBooks you're using and then tell Webgility where to find the company file, and then click Connect to QuickBooks. You'll want to make sure QuickBooks is running and in single user mode for this, as we'll be making an admin change. For the final step, you should be prompted with an application certificate message in QuickBooks asking for permission to grant Webgility access to the company file. Select Yes, always allow access even if QuickBooks is not running, and then allow this application to access personal data such as social security numbers and credit card information. But don't worry, Webgility will not download or touch any sensitive data, and data security is one of our top priorities. This is all just to make sure that Webgility can connect directly to QuickBooks safely and securely. Clicking Continue should give you a confirmation message, and clicking Done will complete the process in QuickBooks. You'll receive another confirmation from the Webgility extension, and clicking Save and Close will finish the connection. For a detailed write-up on this process, check the link in the description, and follow Webgility for more on all things e-commerce.